Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus Reminders. Notion is a powerful, all-in-one workspace for notes, tasks, and project management, offering immense flexibility. Apple Reminders, on the other hand, is a simple, built-in application designed for quick task creation and timely alerts. We'll explore their core functionalities, strengths, and ideal use cases to help you determine which tool is the better fit for your personal or professional productivity system. Notion truly shines with its incredible versatility and customization. You can build intricate systems using databases, linked pages, and a vast array of templates. It supports rich media, code snippets, and robust collaboration features, making it perfect for teams or individuals managing complex projects. Imagine creating a complete knowledge base or a detailed content calendar, all within one unified platform. Its power is virtually limitless. Conversely, Apple Reminders excels in its elegant simplicity and seamless integration within the Apple ecosystem. It allows for incredibly fast task creation, complete with location-based or time-based alerts, ensuring you never miss an important deadline. For quick to-do lists, grocery lists, or simple personal reminders, its straightforward interface is unmatched. It's designed to be efficient and immediately accessible across all your Apple devices. So, which one is better for you? If you require a comprehensive workspace for detailed project management, extensive note-taking, or team collaboration, Notion is undoubtedly the superior choice. However, if your needs are primarily for simple, immediate task management and quick, reliable alerts, Apple Reminders will serve you exceptionally well. Consider your workflow. Do you need a powerful, customizable hub or a fast, efficient reminder system?
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.